application. Now, I'm just closing this. Now, I want to convert this into application. I want to convert this into application. What is the name of the program I given? Here, my calculator. Name of the program is, this particular app is my calculator. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to convert this into, we call it as package or app. How I'm going to go do this is two ways we can do it. First one I'll tell you, that is easier actually. Right side corner designer. You could see here right side corner designer. Go to designer option. And then share. Click on share option. You could see MATLAB, create an app installation file to share your app with MATLAB users. So in the first one, MATLAB app, create an app installation file to share your app with MATLAB users. I'm just clicking on that. See, by default, as I'm in the current program, in the left side straight away it is showing my main file. You could see what is the name of the file now. Right now I'm working. My calculator. Name of the file is my calculator. So left side corner it is showing the right one. For suppose if that is not your file, what you are supposed to do means just remove that file, and here you will get a browse option. Click on that browse option and select that file wherever it is stored or wherever you saved that. Okay. And you can give the name as per your wish. See here name by default it is giving name as my calculator. I am simply changing it as calculator. Okay. Name as just to differentiate my program name and name of the app. I'm just giving it as a calculator. Author. I'm just writing name. Thank you. Email ID. It's optional. If you want to give, you can give, or else you can leave it. Company. SVCE. Summary. You can write summary about your app. And here in the description, you can write description about your app, what your app is supposed to do. Okay, so all those information you can provide here, and then finally you can select a location where you want to save this application. Okay, so here output folder. By default, it is showing desktop. Folder name experiments. If you want to save there, you can save there, or if you want to change the location, you can change it. It's up to you. So I'm going with the same location. Okay, and then just click on package. Right side corner, you could see package. Yes, this is done. Packaging is over, and your app is ready now. I'm just going to open that. Open folder. See here, calculator. Can you see in the top one, calculator? So I'm just going to click that calculator now. I just want to test whether my app is working or not.